Good evening, everyone. I'm Harshit, your tech host, and welcome to the Daily Tech News Bulletin brought to you by IT Voice. In today's news, we will be covering news about Anthropic launches Claude iOS app, Greaves electric mobility unveils Ampere Nexus electric scooter, Healthify utilizes AI to enhance health coaching beyond human accuracy, LinkedIn introduces three new puzzle games, USITC probes GoPro patent infringement allegations, Ukraine deploys world's first AI diplomat, Amazon Q available for AWS enterprise customers, and more. To skip to any particular news story, use the chapters below, and don't forget to subscribe to IT Voice and stay up to date on all the latest tech news. Anthropic, backed by tech giants Google and Amazon, introduces the Claude iOS app, focusing on seamless syncing vision capabilities and open access. The app aims to enhance productivity and drive better results, offering multimodal features for inputs based on visual data such as graphs, with a new subscription model called the Team Plans priced at $30 per user per month. Teams can create workspaces with enhanced usage and administrative tools. Anthropic hints at future updates to introduce new collaboration features, further improving Cloud's utility in professional settings. Greaves Electric Mobility launches the Ampere Nexus electric scooter, available in EX and ST variants. Priced at Rs 1.10 lakh, the scooter boasts a 3 kW per hour LFP battery, a 136 km range on a single charge, and a 4 kW peak power motor, catering to urban commuters' needs. Notable features include 12-inch alloy wheels, all LED lighting system, and a 7-inch touchscreen TFT display with Bluetooth connectivity in the ST variant. With efficient charging and advanced specifications, the Ampere Nexus aims to revolutionize the electric scooter market. Healthify, a leading health platform in India, leverages AI to achieve superior accuracy in health coaching, surpassing human capabilities. The company collects various health-related data, including nutrition, fitness, sleep, and heart rate, processing them with a combination of technology and human coaches. Healthify Snap 2.0 feature, developed in collaboration with OpenAI, excels in recognizing over a million global foods with remarkable accuracy, setting a new standard in AI-driven health solutions. With a track record of impactful results, Healthify is projected to facilitate the loss of approximately 10 million pounds of weight this year, potentially saving nearly a million lives when adjusted for risk factor. Since its inception in 2014, Healthify has been at the forefront of AI innovation in health coaching, introducing groundbreaking solutions like the virtual coaching assistant, RIA powered by advanced language models such as GPT-4. Healthify's CEO Vashisht emphasizes the transformative potential of AI to democratize access to quality healthcare in India, envisioning AI as a catalyst for growth and creating new opportunities in the wellness industry. LinkedIn launches Pinpoint, Queens, and Cross-Climb puzzle games to enhance user engagement on its platform. Created by the news division, the games offer diverse challenges and intellectual stimulation for users worldwide. Pinpoint, Queens, and Cross-Climb cater to different preferences, ranging from identifying common categories to solving logic-based puzzles. Leaderboards and social sharing features encourage participation and interaction among users. The US International Trade Commission (USITC) launches a probe into GoPro's allegation of patent infringement against Chinese firm Arishi Vision. GoPro claims that Arishi Vision's Insta360 products violate its patent for camera technology, seeking exclusion and cease and desist orders. The investigation underscores efforts to address patent infringement issues in the wearable action camera market, aiming to protect intellectual property rights. Ukraine introduces Victoria She, the world's first AI diplomat, to streamline diplomatic communication and save time and resources. Victoria She, an AI-generated spokeswoman, reads out official statements with a voice modeled on Ukrainian celebrity Rosile Nombre. Each statement includes a unique QR code linking to the official text version on the ministry website. Combating issues like deepfake, the adoption of AI diplomats marks a significant technological advancement in diplomatic service, potentially inspiring other countries to follow suit. Amazon Q, an AI-powered assistant for businesses and developers, is now generally available for AWS enterprise customers. The tool aims to answer questions, generate content, and provide summaries based on data or information securely, transforming enterprise workflow. With integration into Amazon QuickSight, businesses can create BI dashboards using natural languages, leveraging large language model LLMs for enhanced analytics. Amazon Q availability reflects the company's commitment to integrating generative AI into its products, competing with offering from Microsoft. This is Harshit signing off. Stay tuned and subscribe to IT Voice for the latest tech news.
क्या आप जानते हैं एक पावरफुल वेबसाइट के बिना एक ऑनलाइन बिजनेस बनाना कितना मुश्किल है? वेलकम टू वेबसाइट वंडरलैंड। आज एबीसी ऑफ बिल्डिंग ऑनलाइन बिजनेस सीरीज में हम एक्सप्लोर करेंगे अल्फाबेट डब्ल्यू से वेबसाइट डेवलपमेंट टूल्स। सबसे पहले लेट्स टॉक अबाउट वर्डप्रेस, कंटेंट मैनेजमेंट सिस्टम्स का सुल्तान। फ्रॉम स्लीक ब्लॉग्स टू डायनामिक एंटरप्राइज साइट्स, WordPress offers unparalleled customization through its vast array of themes and plugins. Next up, we have Wix, your go-to cloud-based web development platform. With its intuitive drag-and-drop tools, creating stunning HTML5 websites and mobile sites has never been easier. Now we have WooCommerce, the e-commerce powerhouse. WooCommerce एक open source plugin है for WordPress that empowers merchants of all sizes to set up shop online, offering robust feature for selling products and services. Webflow को भूल मत जाना, the designer's dream tool. Webflow seamlessly blends web design, CMS, and hosting. Webflow allows designers to create visually stunning and responsive websites without touching a line of code. Last but not the least, we have Weebly. Weebly is an online one-stop destination for online shopping. Originally built for creating high-quality sites and blog, Weebly has evolved into a comprehensive web hosting service tailored for e-commerce. चाहे आप ब्लॉगर हो या एंटरप्रेन्योर या ई-कॉमर्स के मर्चेंट, ये वेबसाइट डेवलपमेंट टूल्स आपको पूरी तरीके से कवर करते हैं। अगर आपको ये एपिसोड पसंद आया हो तो जाकर अभी अपनी वेबसाइट बनाइए। मिलते हैं अगले एपिसोड में अल्फाबेट एक्स के साथ।